Hi, I'm Les Tyson. I've been working with the VSDC video editor for a while now. And what I've discovered is that there's very little information anywhere on the internet or on YouTube as to how to use the program. Please, I want you to understand me. I'm not saying that there are no videos demonstrating how to do things. If you go on YouTube, you can find numerous videos showing you how to move objects, how to make objects disappear, how to clone things, how to create text and different text effects, and even more. The list just keeps going on, and that's great. That's all great, but there's only a few videos that really explain to you how to use the program. For instance, the timeline toolbar. Okay, it has 4 different sections which are individual toolbars in themselves. Knowing what each individual toolbar does and the functions of each button can make your life a whole lot easier when you're working with the program. A more complicated example perhaps would be the composition area. There's a whole lot to know there, especially those blending modes, and I only know a few of them. But the thing is, knowing only a few of them and knowing what can be done with those few things opens big doors. Just a few more things that you really need to know about. You really need to know how to use your properties window. And the video effects, of course, especially the properties window, because that really controls everything. But the point that I'm making here is this information isn't readily available out there on YouTube or almost anywhere out there on the internet. So knowing these different parts of a program, in this case VSDC, and knowing the what, where, when, and how to use those items is the key. Knowing them will open that big door for you, that big door to making your own content that you created your way and the way you want it to be. I know that's what I want to do. I want to create. When I make my videos, I want to be creative. I want to be able to make it, and when I look at it, I want to be able to feel what I did, and I'd like for it to be enjoyable for other people to see it and feel what I feel. Now, anyway, I said probably more than I need to say here, or more than enough. And so I'm about to end this video. But first, let me say, I hope you understand what I've been saying. I hope it makes sense to you. If it does and you agree, please like the video. And if you choose to do so, please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot to VSDC, and there's a lot more videos coming. I'm going to be here for a while. Take care, have a good time, enjoy life, and we'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye-bye.